I'm from 12th grade Science at Syarikat Nusantara. Now I will make ice milk jelly.
Ice milk jelly is a drink that is liked by many people, especially children, in addition to its delicious and sweet taste. How to make it is quite easy and doesn't take much time. Enjoying drink that contains jelly tastes really good. Besides that, a cool texture can shake the tongue away. This can also be an idea for yourself. You know, curious how to make a milk jelly? Let's watch the following video.
For the ingredients to make jelly, namely 1 sachet of nutrijel, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 400 ml water. Fill 1 sachet of nutrijel, 400 ml of water, and 3 tablespoons of sugar into a scoop. And bring to a boil. In potato chips and pour into container. Store it disappear as soon as possible. Pour into a container and chill in the refrigerator. After that, cut into small pieces. After cutting, jelly is ready to use. Okay, after that we continue to make the milk. For the ingredients, namely 1 sachet of sweetened condensed milk, 400 ml water, and 3 tablespoons of sugar. Mix 400 ml of water with 1 sachet of sweetened condensed milk. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar, mix well. After mixing well, put the jelly into the container that has been filled with the milk during the evening. Enter the spoon to taste according to jelly is ready to be served. Ini is a tutorial from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.